Judas, 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 Gaga.
Hi guys, and welcome to another video, and today we are going to be playing Animal Jam. And yeah, so I'm pretty sure we do have to make a login because I do not remember my other ones, which is at least like 5,000 of them. Okay, so when this actually decides to enter, I will be back.
And choose which one you would like to be. Then click next.
I already picked, and I want a tiger.
To pick a fun new name for your animal.
Okay. I'm gonna have Daredevil. And I'll pick the name and I'll be back. Ta-da! Daredevil Spirit Line.
Enter your birthday and tell us if you are a boy or a girl. Then create a unique username and password for your account.
Okay, so I'll fill these in and be back because you don't need to know these. Okay, so I entered it in and now we're just going into the world. Okay. It's morning, probably why I'm tired. Okay, this is gonna take a while.
Welcome to your new home. My name is Pet.
Turn down.
I'd like to show you around.
Shut up.
Follow me.
I actually would like you to shut up. I'm gonna turn her down. Okay, there's no sound now because I didn't need sound. What's happening here? Why is the screen moving? Hello, screen. Go back to normal, thank you. Okay, so apparently I have to click now. Usually didn't have to. Hopefully this will get less laggy. Why is this so laggy? This is never so laggy. Okay, no, I'm going to try and go on the website to see if it's less laggy. Well, it's a little bit less laggy. It only gets laggy when I turn the recording on, so hopefully that will stop. Here in Java, everyone has their own unique style. Let's start by customizing yours. Okay, I actually know how to do this, because I've played Animal Jam before. Okay. Just gonna start going about the eyes and change the pattern. Okay, I will give it a try. Now I just gotta create a style. But it doesn't look idiotic. I'm trying to kinda... Maybe I'll just make myself here. And just like a humanish colour. That doesn't look bad actually. No pattern swirls, this. Some patterns do look good like this one. And the fire one. Just trying to pick a good one. I think, I don't know, but the one without also looks cute. I probably have the one without, but maybe I'll have this one. Let's see. Oh, I actually like this one. Yeah, I'm gonna have this. Okay, color me rad. How do you feel about it? I know just what you mean. You say that I want money. Thank you. That's what I wanted, the money. Okay. I have that much. I'm not lucky, everybody gets the same amount. You'll find more fun ways to get gems as you explore Jama, along with lots of places to send them. You also find lots of games, adventure shops, and even parties. I think you're ready to explore on your own. This way to Jama. You know what? No. Wait, my yellow spots just disappeared for a second. Also, when I'm off camera, I will be playing to upgrade some stuff. Oh, I'm less laggy now that there's not a lot of people here. Okay, why is my den already done? No, I'm gonna customize this by myself. Okay, thank you, Peg. I don't need her help, actually. I always put the table outside. I used to play this game all the time, believe me. I actually want to shop for my den. I want the orange one. Bye. Okay, so I made some changes to my home. And I was accidentally typing. Okay, so basically I added a pillow and a little bed here, which is good for some causes. Look, if I go here, then I can actions, sleep. Ta-da! We can also make another character. And the best thing to do is make an ocean character. And I really want the member animals, a lot. Okay, so this one is not... I was wondering whether it wasn't a giraffe. Okay, so we need a sea animal. And I'm gonna have, for that, a turtle. Okay, be right back when I've done all the details. I went for more of a casual design with her. I don't actually think she looks that bad. But let's go back to a normal creature. By clicking here and going to Devil Spirit Lion. Ta-da! Okay, so here we are. There's someone called Devil's Heart 6. And I don't want to trade with anyone. But I'm gonna make my way to the arcade. Welcome to the arcade, and this is one of my favorite places to get toys. So I think we'll just try and get some. Nothing. Yes. Oh, what did I win? I want a monkey plushie. Yup. No. Let's try again. Let's try again. Are you kidding me? Finally something else. A giraffe plushie. Yay! One more try. Are you kidding me? That's it. Nope. Let's go. Let's try this game now. Phantom Invasion. I'm usually really good at this game when it's not laggy. This one's 10 gems, so you have to shoot the little alien. Oh no, 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 no! Fine, let's just try again. Never give up. I actually got it, so let's see what we got. We got a cool elephant toy, and this is the end of the video, because I don't have any more time. So thank you guys for watching, and bye!